What's up, Titos and Titas? Jared and Conde here, and we are back again. I'd like to apologize that hindi kami nakagawa ng videos recently kasi Tito Austin nagkasakit siya, yung umiikot na sakit na maraming tinatamaan, pero don't worry, he got very mild symptoms, and I'm guessing that's owing to some of the physical fitness that he maintained kasi medyo he's on the fitter side, he's been working out regularly, and he's been eating somewhat okay. And then I think it was his immune system that went down because he does spend a lot of sleepless nights. Bakit kaya? Ask him. Pero okay naman siya ngayon. So, right after he got COVID, after his isolation, nakapag-workout pa kami. So, don't worry about that. We're good. Of course, he was able to isolate for the full 14-day period, and after that, he had some relatives who got it as well. So, he had to stay safe. Since he did have some contact with them, he had to stay safe and again, isolate himself for another 14 days until we met. So, it's been about a month until we are finally able to shoot this video. Okay. And okay na, di ba?
Yeah. Okay na po ako.
We're still here. Gyms are still closed. And what's happening is that I don't think they're going to be opening anytime soon. There's a new classification ng quarantine. Iba na naman to with granular lockdown. May level 1, 2, 3, 4. And anyways, Metro Manila is under level 4, so wala pa rin tayong gym. Hindi pa rin tayo makapag-workout sa loob ng gym. But hindi yan excuse, okay? Hindi yan excuse. Hindi yan dahilan para hindi ka mag-workout. Okay? So basically, kailangan mong gawan ng paraan. Dahil sinabi nga nila, pag gusto, may paraan. Pag ayaw, maraming dahilan. Okay? So, obviously, ngayon, marami tayong naririnig na kompleto na sila ng bakuna pero tinatamaan pa rin. So, lalo ka dapat mag-ingat ngayon. And yung pag-iingat, hindi lang yan yung pag-stay mo sa bahay, pag-social distance mo, hindi lang naman yun yung pag-iingat. Kasama sa pag-iingat, yung pag-aalaga mo sa katawan mo. Okay? Hindi yung nakaupo ka lang maghapon, nanonood ka ng Netflix, or nagtatrabaho ka, going through your Zoom meetings and all, yung mga naka-work from home sa atin. Malaking bagay pa rin dyan yung paggalaw. Proven na if you are more active, kung tamaan ka man ng sakit na kumakalat ngayon, malamang mild lang yung simptomas na mararamdaman mo. So, sobrang importante yan. At dito sa TitoFit, of course, what we are pushing for is physical activity, physical fitness, and health. And living your best life. And of course, you can't live your best life if you're unhealthy, obviously. So, if you're into that, please don't forget to give this video a like and consider subscribing to this channel. Alright, so my name is Jeridan, and we are gonna talk about top 5 tips to keep yourself fit on a budget kahit nasarado pa rin ang gym. How much activity should you be doing to minimize the effects or the symptoms of COVID? Now, studies have shown na if you are fulfilling the requirement ng 150 minutes sa isang linggo ng activity, ng physical activity, ay maaari na mas mahina or mas mild ang simptomas na kuha mo sakali mang tamaan ka. Okay? And syempre ngayon, importante yan. So, number 1, pwedeng pinaka-murang paraan is just go out. Here, we're outside. Get some vitamin D, walk, you can run, you can jog, you can do some outdoor exercises. Of course, maintain social distancing, proper health protocols, and of course, wear your mask all the time. Okay? Now, of course, right now, my mask is down. There's no one here within 20 feet even. So, don't worry about that. Alright. And then, run, walk. Like we said, 150 minutes ang kailangan. So, that could be 5 30-minute walks or jogs, or 3 50-minute sessions where you add in some different types of workouts. So that's the first one. That's the cheapest one. Walk, run, go outside, get some vitamin D. The second one, buy a jump rope. Mura lang yun. Sobrang mura lang nun. Now, merong reason kung bakit yan ang paboritong conditioning tool ng mga boksingero. It's very easy. Barrier to entry is low. Mura lang siya. Cheap. You can start skipping, learn how to jump rope. If you started like a year ago, magaling ka na mag-jump rope ngayon, for sure. Madali lang siyang gawin. You can start skipping, you know, it strengthens your bones. The impact is going to help strengthen your bones, just similar to running. If you haven't seen the benefits of running in our previous video, please check it out. It's just here, click on it, okay? We'll be sure to link to that video. Alright, so a skip rope is number 2. Number 3, In case you have some light weights at home, now I know a lot of people, a lot of my clients are like this. They have some limited number of dumbbells at home, but they're very light. And nawawalan sila ng gana kasi hindi sila makapagdagdag ng bigat eh. Hindi sila makapagbuhat ng mabigat. So what do? Gumamit ng tinatawag natin na tempo. Slow it down. For example, I'm gonna show you. If I take 5 seconds to go down to the bottom of a squat, that makes it significantly difficult or more difficult than kung normal yung pace. So for example, if I do a squat like this, that's your normal pace, you can do so many reps. But if I slow it down, on the other hand, take 5 seconds going down, automatically it gets harder. You make it more difficult, you load the muscles more, and they will respond to a different type of stimulus. Lalo na kung hindi mo yan ginagawa, your muscles maninibago siya in a way at mapipilitan siyang mag-respond and to work harder. And that's always a good thing. Number 4, I'm pretty sure that a lot of you have a lot of things lying around at home that can be used as equipment in the absence of equipment. Couch, sofa, you can lift this, do deadlifts with your couch. Sako ng bigas, kung meron kayong sako ng bigas, you can lift that. If you guys know, yung mga nagbubuhat ng sako ng bigas, ang lalaki ng katawan niya, lalakas niyan kahit papaano. So kaya mo rin gawin yan, okay? Another example, alam niyo yung malalaking blue na water jug, yung pag dinadeliver nila na lalagyan ng tubig, punuin mo ng tubig yun, you can do deadlifts on that. Like literally just do deadlifts on it. Strengthen your lower back, your butt, your hamstrings, things like that. These movements are definitely going to pay off. You don't need overly complicated things para mas maging fit ka. Simpleng movements lang, squats, push-ups, deadlifts. Kung meron kayong mga matibay-tibay na bakal lying around, baka pag sinasampayan nyo lang, kung masakit sa kamay, lagay ka ng tuwalya dyan, magbaras ka dyan, you can do pull-ups. So things like that, basically, you can find anything to use. And like I said earlier, pag gusto, may paraan. Alright, last one, number 5. Ito, in my opinion, this is very, very underrated. A lot of people don't use this enough. Find an accountability partner. Find someone to work out with. Of course, ideally, this will be someone from the same household. Okay? Ideally, this is someone you live with at home. Nakatulong ka pa. So you keep yourself healthier and you're keeping other people healthier. If you live in the same home, ideally, you get to push each other, things like that, and you know, that could definitely help keep you more consistent over a longer period of time. So let me know down in the comments, guys, are any of you like still doing this? Any of you not working out at the gym? What do you guys do sa bahay? Let me know, kasi I'm actually interested to know what you guys have been doing as well. You know, it always helps me out pag nagko-comment kayo dyan sa baba. Most of the time, I also learn from what you guys are doing. So let us know in the comments down below. And don't worry, we'll be back to regular programming soon. So please subscribe if you're new to this. My name is Jeridan. Been in the fitness industry for 16 years now. I've been a coach, I've been a personal trainer, I've been a club manager, I've coached in 3 different countries. So I know a little bit of what I'm talking about. So see you in the next one.